In this video, we're going to talk about multi-step percentage problems. These are the ones that trip people a little bit. Let's see if we can figure this out. There's a question here, so you'll want to pause and write the question in your notes, and then we'll come back and work it. All right, let's see. Jancy's address to buy, it costs $125, is on sale for 15% off. At the register, she gets an additional 10% off. What does the dress cost? First thing you need to write in your notes is a starter. You cannot add percentages. You cannot add percentages. The first thing a lot of people try to do is like, okay, 15%, 10%, that's 25%. Let's do the math. It doesn't work that way. Your percentages will be off. And so let me show you how to do this. We're going to use that same thing we did in the last video, is over of equals percent over 100. The cost is, let's see, it's 15%, so we know that. So 15% goes there, of $125. But they want to know how much it costs. So that's the discount. Okay, well, 100% minus 15% is 85%. So that should be an 8. 85%. Okay, that's how I'm going to work that problem. And there's my x, so I'm going to cross multiply. And so it's going to be 100x equal, that's these two, equals 125 times 85 equals 10625 divided by 100 equals $106.25. That's great. But she gets an additional, some more, 10%. So you just set it up again. Is over of equals a percent over 100. Quick question. Am I going to plug $125 in there? No, it's already dropped in price. Of 106.25, what is an additional 10%? So I'm going to pay 90% of the bill. And there's my x. Why can't you add percentages? Because it wasn't the same percentage of the same number. Okay, so this time it was a percent of 125, and this time it's a percent at the bottom of $106.25. So that doesn't work. So that's why you have to do it twice. Now again, it's a 10% discount, but I'm paying for 90% because it wants to know how much the dress costs. Okay, so I'm going to cross multiply and take this math out just to make it not so cluttered. When I cross multiply, I'm going to get 100x, that's these two, equals 106.25 times 90, which is 9562.50 divided by 100. $95.63 is my answer. Multi-step question. You have to do it both separate. Okay, so if you get a percent and then you're given another percent, do them separately. So you'll notice I did my percent, got my answer, and then I get 10% off that price. It's not 10% off that again, it's 10% off the new price. That's why I have to do it twice. Here's a second example. John buys some Nike shoes for $85. $85. If you received a 5% discount at the register on top of 20% sales price, how much did they cost? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out what did they cost? What did the ticket? Okay, what did it say? He bought them for this. So there's the question. He bought it for $85. I want to know what was the original cost. Maybe I should have said it like that. What was the original cost? Okay, so is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, so let's start first with the it cost $85. $85 of what? And he got a discount. Okay? And so 85, the last thing he got a discount was, so he received that second. So 5% discounts, that means he paid for 95%. Okay? So when I cross multiply, that's 95x equals 85 times 100 is 8,500. So 8,500 divided by 95 is $89.47. Okay, so that's how much it was right before he got the 5% discount. And then he got the sales price of 20%. So if I do it again, okay, so 89.47 is what it would have been over, oh, I wonder how much that original price was. If he got 20% discount, that means he paid for 80%. So is over of, percent over 100. So if you got a 20% discount, he's paying 80%. So when you cross multiply, 89.47 times 100, that's these two, is 89.47 equals 80x divided by 80. So divide that by 80, and I get 111.84. That's how much the shoes were to begin with. And so when you took the 20% discount off, it dropped to that. And then when he got the 5% discount, it dropped to $85. Multi-step percentages. In the next video, you'll get to try one on your own.